Good morning, friends. In the series of special purpose book or specific journals, we are at now to start the purchase book. Apart from the after the cash book and the petty cash book, we are now to start with the special purpose books, and in that series, the first book is taken as purchase book. So, friends, please understand it is known as purchase book as well as purchase journal or purchase day book. Any thing has been asked, so you know that what is to be prepared: purchase journal, purchase book, or a special purchase book. So you will have to make this book. Three things are to be kept in mind. A purchase book contain only the credit transactions of the purchase of goods. So that is, it is a purchase book. Therefore, it will show only purchases. And not only purchases of goods. I hope that you might be knowing what is the difference between goods and assets. So if a business enterprise is buying the goods means the item in which it is dealing. Apart from that, stationery is there, then after, assets are there and various other things are there. So we do not use the purchase book for purchase of any other item except the goods. So first of all, you will identify in your question if a purchase is given, so that purchase is for the goods or some other asset. So if it is for some other asset, it will not take place in this book. So purchase of goods. Second thing, purchase may be cash or credit. So you write only credit transactions, credit purchases, because cash purchases have already been shown in the cash book. Right? And third thing, it should be a purchase of goods and that too on credit. So it's a credit book showing the purchases of the goods only, nothing else. Here is the format. First column is date. It will contain the date of the transaction. In the particulars, you can write supplier also, because we purchase from our suppliers. So somewhere in some books it is written suppliers. So that is one and the same thing. You can write particulars or the name of supplier. Then invoice number, as usually whenever we buy the goods on credit, we get an invoice. So invoice number is here. Ledger folio, again the same thing. It will contain the number of that folio of the ledger where this has been posted. In detail, we will write what all items have been purchased. What is the detail of their cost, and sum total of this detail together with certain other adjustments of trade discount, and then after packaging, forwarding charges, we write the complete amount in the final column. And then after all this, whatever is put on these figures, these columns, we take the total, and total will be shown as purchases account debit. So for your purpose, for your simplification, I have given this example of format of this. See, purchase book format. Here I have told you the date will be written. Now suppose you have purchased the goods from Mrs. Sujata store, write the name at the top and underline it. It should also be supported with the station, name of station, maybe Allahabad, Hisar, Ambala, whatever it is. Why it is so? Because you may be dealing with various Sujata stores. One is in the Varanasi, second is in the Hisar, third is in the so and so. So just to identify which Sujata store is described here, you write the name of station also. Now see how we are going to put these figures, put these items that we have purchased. So for example, we are making it for a stationery store. They have purchased 200 accountancy books at the rate of 200 each. Invoice number is imaginary, I have written one. So here we will write the amount, total amount of these 200 books. So that is 200 multiplied by 200 is 40,000. Second, suppose there is 100 registered at the rate of 100 each. Its invoice number is imaginary 5. So the total amount of 100 registers at the rate of 100 each will be 10,000. 100 scores. These two figures, two items I have written so that you can understand these units also. These are deliberately shown. 100 scores. Score, what is the meaning of this score? Score is a unit which contains 20 pieces. So one score is equal to 20 pieces. And there are 100 scores eraser. So 100 into 20 means 2000 multiplied by 5, it is 10,000. So the thing to be kept in mind, a score stands for 20 units. Again, one more thing is there, a new term, that is gross. One gross contains 12 dozen, means 144 units. To see it, 5 score ballpoint pen at the rate of 10 each. So how it is to be calculated? First of all, 1 gross is 144 units multiplied by 5 gross multiplied by 10 each. So that will give you 7,200. So this is the cost of ballpoint pens. Now take the total of all these four. That comes to be 67,200. Any trade discount allowed will be subtracted suitably. This is a book which shows the trade discount, whereas in journal we do not show the trade discount. Again and again I am just repeating all these things. So after subtraction the value is 60,480, and suppose some packing and forwarding charges are also applied on it. So that is, say for example, 1520, total is 61,900. This amount we have to pay to this person because we are purchasing it. So then similarly, like there is Sujata store, then after Janta store, and so stores. So on one particular date or one particular month, whatever different dates are there, we have purchased many things. So after completion of one party's account, we close it, then write second party, then write third party, and similarly we keep on doing. Ultimately, these all figures, this is one figure, then second, then we take a total. So that is a total of purchase book, and the total will be written as purchase account debit. Purchase account debit. So this way your purchase book is completed. Format is clear, everything is clear. Now, after purchase book, there will be sales book. Exactly same description is there, same format is there, same system of writing here, the name of the party, and then after whatever sales are there, one sale, second sale, third sale, invoice number. Similarly, that details will be there, total cost will be here, and then after that, whatever discount or packing charges, we write the figure. The exactly same system will be used here also, but only one thing, heading will be purchase book, heading will be sale book, and here instead of purchase account debit, we will write sale account credit. This is sale book. Then purchase and sale return. Once we have purchased the goods, so because of its not up to the quality or because of any reason, we are returning it back. We are returning it back. The same system, same book is there, except only that instead of invoice number, we will write debit note number. Debit note number means if we are returning the purchase, we are going to debit that person to whom we have returned it. Because when you have purchased it, we have credited him, and we will return, we will debit him. So instead of invoice number, we write debit note number. The shape of debit note number, it contains only, okay, we have debited your account on the part of this return of the goods. Again, ledger, folio, details, same thing will be there as you have done in the purchase book or sale book. Similarly, sale return book is there. Here, instead of invoice number, you will write credit note number. Means you are crediting this party because of sales return, and remaining everything will be same. Now, in journal proper, two things are there or more: opening entry and adjustment entries. Adjustment entries, I have told you about the outstanding expenses, depreciation, etc. Opening entry is the entry which is made on the first day of the accounting period. Because last year you have closed the accounts by passing a closing entry, that entry will now be reversed by opening entry, so that we are opening all our accounts. So these are your subsidiary records. In this, cash book is there, sale book, purchase book, etc., etc. And I have given you the format also, and then after one example also how to write down the figures in this book. So now your subsidiary records are over. We will proceed further on the next topic in next video. Please subscribe the video, like it, and wait for the next video which will cover the journal, this trial balance and all that. Thank you.